because the whole world, as we are talking on the most pathetic person, obi anu who mobo we are small by yes Magdalene love was a one within the Magdalene one love will be on so. Oh, penny shot I trim printing I said that Eddie love so. Kuku wo ye nyina shata metia wo se ni nya bebebe nyina ye say because you want people to know say you are the one dating shata entidien and then na wo koto aduane nyina wo yimu de koma shata wo school mu de bende be won sema wo kanyina was baseless shata metia de no ye mimi ntimi nyu I don't know you from anywhere me nya my boyfriend ya wo ye ba be boy ye bra ye ti dem no akokofo baby I don't know if she's from the family say adan na danfo. And I said a cousin. Everybody knew you as Shatter's cousin. You went to the house, you saw everything. What was saying when they are in the studio crying out to couch, so I meet it, but now while they suit me having sex with him. Now after all that you have seen in that house, what you miss out said no, the owner madam there who and you Magdalene. Who and you hey, what you been quanyane boy? Niam fa won bet na fi o kakra wo de wan ji o because Michi wutu e wu ntimi nye ne boy. Ntimi nye ne boy no wan free fio because she deserve better. Mo free fio. E na wo de wo sim koso na wo pe. We na wo pe. Na wan na no ko ho. Ah we nti wo pe se e foforo obi a hu se eyi mami one ne bai ku bi so mo issue dada. Windows. Yes I will be ka se maboda. Mama and the bunny could be say, oh, issue that. But the way I say, oh, the way you are playing the role of secretary, you are playing the role of mother, you are playing the role of girlfriend, you are playing too many roles in that house, Madeline. You are playing a lot of roles in that house. I say, man, why confused? She doesn't know who you are. Because before knowing himself, Utifio said, house girl, why you be paying? Secret why you be paying? Gossip why you be paying? They say, won't come any papa, Maglav, near a Germany in air, was at a month for man. And I'm a boy. Chatawale, never champion, so what? Ona, Emilia Brobe, your evidence in your Kutana Dentina Shatta the name. He gives his thing to you because he doesn't respect you. When him say we are nobody, when him like I said, Oba bema opoba Shatta Michi phone kra no matter say enye na enye bia wo kam ne ho asem mpo no Shatta loved her na Shatta Michi timi ground ayi Shatta so timi ground no they complemented each other not you that with you he feels like a mother won he say what than mother figure ma Shatta say because with you no Shatta what you know say he can get away with a lot of things with you. The thing that he can't get with a normal relationship. Say what than any man, what than a person na wama Shatta. And they say there's no secret between you because you've seen enough. Tisha Shatta cry peno obe wade wa. Obetimi awade wo. Bibi anim but wado the way sifie because of say maybe a hu hia so won wade. But abonten kone de obe koso akọ. Anya na de mo adwuma yo. Ameka se mi tum ade se me fro ha. Onso ma hwa meto. Se ne ye nto aso saa. With you, no, he can get away with everything. And project a crap as a uche. And project a crap as will be certain fancy for no see magla, once a man can't show say, or when you're interested in you. Ah, what like star quality to Okasanya mede. Wakasa magla, with me kana kosi baby, and I Mitchin on in a sama, Becca na didn't have some bem, you know, said Becca is married. Say na why said number 1, number 2, so no ni Becca chempna. Say give you a Kenya go high. Anointed Betty, looking thank you sis. Hey, me twin in Aban. Thank you sis. So say a yet then say the Mimichi or ye interview me to the minim. She Michi interview me share. A lot of people don't even know say it is you, but you want to let people know say you are there. Ada na magla wo pressa ada na girl no asa wo pre by this time wo di mami etimi abetina session so gu mami na ni mwase mami na di kan e ba bo wo kwa adu a ti se nya mami kan se wunyim nyansa da wutima anka wo frɛ wo interview no kranka wo nko but right now you are so versed se wo pese obi anhu sese ti wo pre president na ka se Shattawale's girlfriend kwa na me ka so be ka so please no. It's his friend. They be a Ghana phone who the difference until no, it's his friend. What they want your girlfriend and fiance? What your fiance no? ama wo ho na wo te wo na wo kiki se na wo bo nseka na wo kiki wa pantan so we ada Maglav you know pantan you know pantan you are pantan then dress na wo we ada bre na wo disi wo ma me ne ba ye ni mpo na wo se wo change topic na wo se wo chai but still you wanted to prove people say you are not the bad one ma me na ye say ma me for them to me drum na bi no adane o kasa Mami phone nti se mu se mami bi wo vo a oye ye o so wo jan life man na wo ba ni fie she me de the list I want obema bi ne mami masa me dwane agya mu me hu se be ma wo no mami mu ye allegation me dwane agya mu because wo ko ka bi no wo di ukru na chi na wo di mami na chi me say wo ba kwa ba no mu mienu ti wo because all their life no you were who about you wearing there me say to your ba unim nyansa na unhu se be ma ne maame enkasa shata so rezi maame tie 3 years it could be say they have their own issue. It could be say Franco wa yes German brony papa it could be so mo own issue but am say bia nwom ebu okre bia maame na expect say ne ba ne de be ma ne direct ye de ma wa na wo him it could be say you can be busy but ne ayi wo ho untimi nkasa shata wale maame woni den woni account send a rent as soon when you ever small you are so damp like you are damp what do you mean you be manage Jimmy and so balance or balance so Jimmy it can't be possible it's impossible me bro for na me kana mo di amount for family me video de ko to ba bia na mo feel say ma bona mo ntimi di matem ano me say it's impossible me bro for me dictionary dia me person me kana no umpa is over to you. Na mami betina ho hi mami ne na say michi wo spirit bebre wo say ni say satawale akache wo say ne mami no wonye enti so ne kasa record na ampani ampa be ma jimi fu atimi akache wo say ne mami nye enti wo ne mami kasa record no wo so nyansa nyina so ampani ampa wo so record mami no anti asem we pa court of law ben ye nko bossa wo diwe asem we yanko kana we hen ampanyam pa wayi ade na ka twom so ompo abram amene de ati wo bullet bda she ja ne makeup no over 100 euro matiti abole no me kam makeup one se mani abre ani bre haska so ati ase na wati ma amene to me de musa ma amene ba wonu mpo nka you withdraw da bi da wati me abo ma me ada pa ma amene ada pa timi ada you don't do that. What's that mama catch you? Also, no one pay was so, and she doesn't also believe that once also open a civil because can open a civil and can find metina. You are very stupid, Maglav no. Unim nyansa minimo da but me ko page mu. But obi who so girl be address fan no ye won fi se bia nyansa wo tim. Sa ni nyina makeup na ne bo aye de nkra na sa manfo timito. So what you say? Na ntade so na aye yi na munya bi no ma che sa bebre na ma bobodam guess ni bebre na mo yale ma bobodam complete amunam Ghana ho ye humu a ye ka se mo ayi mo ye okay Abdul how are you sweetheart ye humu a na mo address e fi se mo ye okay sa mo wa bobodam mo yale complete ma mi we aka sam kase antisi afa michi ho ama michi ku bi se michi wonim dada ada wato won nyoma bi ama me de ye no ahu ebi onu so hu ye no afani we michi afani we okone baby she doesn't have den a ne banana no ne ba ne nana ne bana wa wo no no matter what ne bana wa wo no ne nana ne shata maame no enti ne maame no ntimi free michi story muda they are joined together nti na won plancha no na won die fun kankan na shata wele bedi no enu nti na pese obi a pese odi manchi obi a wagimi ana na de maame ko station ho maame na betina wa stormy station wa betina nti ka hu maame na nim kranka wo se wutwa bibia ka se oh enra mete ma asem no se ma asem no be ye ha minti no mesira na ma ente sa enye sa ma no na obetina mu da ma no nyankopon hira no da ma no obetina mu ma ne hu se ba bia ekono na shata maame ne nsa ya benge no na shata maame na ne nsa ya benge no ehwa na ma ne hu se da bi bitins betimi abem said the antina wo Maglav woni shata maame hu ntino yesi police for is in the building police for in the building said the na why maame na maame ne betimi abo but e dru ne na ntu se maame ne say ya be Maglav na ka maame ne betimi ahwe no because you are very dumb who kasa your boy ni cho baby I the audio is even here and I have more you can play it be ma wo benefit Ti se maame mpo so na ye befo na anya befo kwa na ye den. Fa ho e by force. Eye by force enya maame na ne da, ne ba na ne da. Ti ni o fa echi na obekulu maame na, ene maame na anasem. It doesn't matter. Money also stop nonsense. Money stop nonsense. Ti so hu so person oba maame fie de be na nka wo so ye. Maame ne te wa na nka wo di bibi na wo di afa na di akoma maame no. Wo nche ma shatan kan tro say my love. Go and do this. Oh wa pack nyoma. Oh ma take. Ma say ni say. Ti maame kura hu say oh later. Wo mpo no abehye wo kura nka maame na nya ne ya. Ka maame na enya ne ya mu bebre na ase nyansa menim. Se ye mie mutrum ne mfa nsamu. Se enya mu de yo mintimi hu. We are down ga ba ko betina radio station ya wo su so ne be ma wo for de ben de ben na be ma ni jania de obia ye party no kro na wo na wasam ka kire game oba be si aba wo kunu ya aduma wo man so ne be ma tena for 9 good years wunti me so akukọ mu mpo anase pan no mu kran ka se wo de koma wase wo onkrofo ofie busa wa ya me kunu de kọ ya me kunu de kọ ya me kunu kwa e bia me ma me kunu kwa wa na madi na chi like munim nyansa awale na wokotena so kotena se jeden wo kuru ye aduma man se tinya yeye at the Range Rover mu oba wa bi shop ama ni ade you nim nyansa se mi ankasa me wo se mi ankasa one day mi amitimi sorry abra me kunu ni wo eto da kura ma na omkunu ni sika no wo ade na etimi ma wo kunu sika se o mepa choto ade koma mesi because ekutawa ene onim se ye wo na wo de ba to da nso a wo yire nso ba matimi sheda na o ma na yiri sika otototo ade de fa koma me ma me anse me papa sina bi o mu be mu se de wo na wo de ba because ne ba no ene de ekuta na wo de ba kura no mu fi se ye ne ba na ade what's now ware mu na good years wo anya sa ade we afuna obi ba ya utim so ndo akode da foma ma omo a wo mo de ebe gina wusu fine wa se na ya record ya but no chronic there we have to be told because the man no time kura na se ohun se that thing is not going well for one person ko obeko I want the move from to because when it becomes unbearable for somebody to live somewhere, you can't force the person to meet but the truth has to be told. Eh? Who magla? Who buy be fear? Obi about ba oko. Meet ya ba oko. Ba kuna girl na first one kwashata no so ne nkran kra fichire empratwe no mo twen fine. Meet ya ba wo bend your kwenti wo na wo ba feel as a cousin. Who bear feel as a sister, who bear feel as a whatever, as a house girl, as a security, won't quite man, a wolf you in oh magla, why you in treasurer. Shatawale Sikana Kutaman, the phone soon I could tell him, say Milia Brobe, say Milia Brobe interview, Milia Brobe interview now I am. Because of Shatamichin Tina, who could say Kunia, you know, program, or any program that I don't have fresh at Michi, so I'm Russell. So I need shut up or die, so I am watching. Senka michi so chene so na yin so koda nko ama na yi so enti the fact say ya nche no kra che say Emilia Brobe is smart Emilia Brobe wa smart e wo that side so okodi ya na michi wo so okodi ya na michi afiri wo Emilia Brobe is smart in that man enti nya wo na aba be bie no to e wo ha say enti anya ne den che say wo kra no mienu akotena ya meeting aka asem a wotimu say etwi wo enti no you want to this man want to expose it wa pantan so we adabre maglav no mfa nkoma no wa pantan den wa pantan den enye sa man ne be gina mu kan say oh we should settle this amicably your man no near still na unim answer na shota ma me so etimi obo odu ante say we ma me si nyamia ma aso ni no cry ya bonsa hu bi sam asem na to to do but so ka say nya wade ada na ma ayesa ada na ayesa akama glava wie akawo ma ada na Shatawale ma no yasa odio na ye boy na ye wa ma wa wo voice ma ade ba na omi obu ade ankoni ni afia maame tu right bad ya obi ejimifo me nu no mo kwakwan ma obu wa sometimes ya ka say o maame sister bra entu maame do ba wiase odo ba wiase wi wa show nkwala bren fan edru merion so behwe no na maame na ye na adwen so opeso ye turn in your flesh o maame ye wa adwen say because of so obo 9 months into opeso okun amepa achew emre bi wo Ghana e kire say maame no wo ho kwan so otimi kun ana so wo ba wie na so wo indirectly and directly wo sabotage wo ba no oba na nyini but ne ho mate na me pa acho emre bi wo ho sa se wo ye me ma minti won kumi ana Just sometimes you can say, at least you'll be in your high, but oh, mommy, funny boy, they make it so unbearable for your kids to even befriend them. You make it unbearable because mommy and papa, their mommy and mostly obey over. Think I dear beba. Dear Ben beba. I baba cast were two ne mammy so say be a son and my main casacra. No, ma, wouldn't be a woho. Oh, baby, and Zimin can't oh, Bowie says, some man no my main casa. And you're possible, ma. Wouldn't him? 13 months. And you're some in some banner moon and moka 13 months or 7 months, baby, 6 months, 9 months when you're woman. That is our cross we have to bear. Well, 13 months when you about 13 months, no big in 9 months doesn't make your child special. Net 13 months, damn, I'm a tawali, almost your word, 7 months, I've been so by any part. In Tiano, but ma, Busa wants a dear Bene Beba. Mamma, Baba, sorry, because oh, Shatawali, when they will say, Ubani will show Happy Mother's Day. I know what doesn't make sense. Maybe I am a bush, maybe I am a bush story. Our Mother's Day won't show the same as I'm man because oh no, but see ye, Papa. And your Mother's Day also about show you love. So oh no, but see ye, Papa. Every day is Mother's Day. And you can't say, bro, you better one day, man, say one day, what's a wood mammy too. One day also presume mammy and son won't say no. Those people who are connected to their kids and they feel loved each and every day. No? They don't feel like somebody has to put a date on it. Answer. Obi be twenya wo watade bi papa bi kura na also the man mama want to maybe obi twenya kopim say Mother's Day no obi timi buabu anwoma no we dia Mother's Day na me akoma me mama. Why? Because okwabrani asode no we twa date too. Some of them their mothers don't live to see that day. Now from akofa nwoma no oh Mother's Day kura me ka say nkam de mama be ko home. Mother's Day kura me ka say ankam nwoma we no matotam ko mama. If you've already bought it, give it to her. Give it to her. If you have already bought it, give it to him. Who papa so na po bibi at the moment what ade na fama no. Ye nim time where you be be free we say we don't know when we are going to leave. But don't because of say obi nipa bia sorry a day be free that day no you want your mother or your father or your girlfriend or any me na Valentine's Day some because some party. I don't know but I've grown a lot of things. They say me Valentine's Day no it's bullshit to me because I don't see why I want to be you one day at all. And sana obi celebrate obi ni girl but obi ni better no nyoma be bro onyama no ka o ho nto bi ma no yese wunim obo na ka akobo nipa no wawu na ka akobo nipa no wawu na ka na ya to ama no kra no we wanda mu bi bring your bro na ka no wanda mu bi me ne ka say me ye beifo na ka sese na bia na me aduru ka say beifo na ya den uka say easy say beka cho so beifo bi ahonya fe uka say akora kito be ye bom merewafo ne nkokorafo nti ansa na we oba wunyini ye beka cho so beifo so ho afa say me gina he obetimi ahwe no ka so ya anyen we ye beifo o say me feel good because we are young girl na ahonya fa yen ka so ye beifo we hu ye from say we dey o sema me wata ye beifo e no na ye compliment enti ma me kura ni kwansa sa compliment no magla wode ma because wutu ye dey I say kiki abetana o say dada na michi wo ho no ade ne afre wu interview dada wo pe radio so atena wo ho wadi boy ache wo pe radio so atena wo ho ti wa adwin no ne chata wale mu ba be photo shoot wo ho ijale papa wani su ebiru wani su ide twan you wani so ide wan you jina ha ye didi an nkoma wa ba be ka asem na makwa akobo ge ni din abra me hwe nka asem agimi wo akobo ge ni din na wa be didi na tam na mo amasa ade akoma ko create mo jimi wo ho mo hwe me na new page ni nti ana mo hwe me so obi a metimi me ne social media nkofo kokko ntokwa ho asi asempa binu na nature adam to your phone get na wigi na wo hwe hey guess you know sama glove no ni abro nim so oba be kan asem wo nim so oba kan asem am yati na wati kan ni enna mi ti kon na wan ho no enna me ka chen se ne yen kan che junior na junior hu di obeye enna me ka che ne se enna wahu aka ba akubi asema wo kakra you don't know your head from your tail Winnim dia wokeka. Michi has moved on. Michi has moved on. Ade no so on pe wona te ho no so on pe. So the betwitwu usiu. So the shatter be ma be so ki gadia no pewe na anwumre na ade dio. So the na yi betwitwu kukuo mu wo so on fa ho. What's one fan home? Michi si one fan home. Baby or was say ya wo ya me na me ma ye koto nkonya wa bodam. Ya boe piece again. Shale. Sa wo na me ye koto nkonya. Ni no ka kire me wo fie na wo si woni nkonya wo mu no. Da ta Michi di agwo wo na ni so me. Na wa say twan wa ka se shata Michi na ni na mo anko dae. Kofi boat to friend am one and then shata car so dia channel na one so anti ati nto person ye bibi man no person sign contract no na wo ba be man oba kofa wo jire you say oni ga na tena ache na wo ntia kasa wo jire ni na koda wantimi anye ne hwe wo pesika free mu ntino wa kwa am the same be man no asan wo ne level how drunk can you be? Na girl, na ya me nanka me be fi anka shata nka be gro me mpabu ka be twetwe me hwe nyina me fa ma de ne nkwaje shata Michi na de ne ho kwaje ye na wonya asa yi na mo an ko first kanya no de ma wo na wo ye $1 million man $1 million na ne girl be fi no otietia wo so ade me odis otietia wo so because you are not a man, you don't know when to fight for your woman. Be ma wo no oba wo ne ti ada like how Bema woni oba woni ne ti akoda na oba ya wasama na san to record label na shata Michi akwa no abiro Michi abre na wa fie wo she didn't take anything out of car and because of okoton ye ka no okoton ye wo dia ka sanye money no nti Michi akoton a wo dia hwie ne hwinim kura wo dia hwie wo dia hwie You don't want you want an easy life until na be da no ho magot na be shefie o. Obekwa chimpre ni bi no hu se de mpnesity no. Wo de on pese obebere wo bibia hu na wo de obi na akobere ne boy ti ne fie na wo de wa be hye as magot na wo didi funya. Me to cross o bold ya se wo ti fie na wo didi se be ma no die also de jew because that time na no sweat. Na wone no bana twatimi akoto fie mpo na dan ayi enkonwa nimu a na ne ba papa ye ba besiesie mama na osia ni nyina na minim ka na ye koto ma oni nyina na wa bodam ka na koto ma no so na usika na shata de koto ma no usika na shata de koto ma no nyoma Michi aya ma shata no nko nyomo diza nke bi ni common ka na wo so won fa ne ba majesty nko school no say kure so won twia ni ku fi say ne maame ba ya kwa kopai because shata pam nyina na wo maame would the $1 million house now to me $250,000 and to me told that mama rent a renew every 1 year they are shame on you. There's a shame on you. What can would the poom if you are with them? And as a my men class say when you feel on so bad that's what Tinebran consul abrewa or ye pictures will puno. Also now better if you hobby now consul ye pictures our puno. I won't be a fine said that it's a 3-bedroom house all right though. But I say my money be bet me out to an anything. If you are 20,000 year renew 1 year, into every year be also my minister about Nancy. So I know Casa, so no Casa. I was also show can be so about Nancy. A malco friend Magla, bitch, yes, I be renew. Nedaneka. It's already your tinning Nitika. So I told you now, I'm meeting my mate like a son, Wayaka. When I can't no boom. Because what kind of why man is so sister them say if you is forever mine or better no akasa. Now they shut away you koso. Hey, Regina also said a rig like rejected door mat and she also want to insult Michi. Auntie Miss and Michi, then you can break girl all this one, yeah, when a girl in them, and I will show ba we should Michi with dear siwo. So kwaya no fo so an kwaya ne dan ya obi o mebu o woni no fo e na no fo no so ye fat ne wom so obebu o ha onyema na ese free ma Michi no fo ne de esu anaka na o se eyi free mu na wanya chance ti me akopeja o so kwaya no anye no fo ne babragba ne kwara man pro o kwaya mo nya o ma kakra ne be mu se de be o de be sha atade o ye no fo ne kakra bi ni nyina ba be kanti anya ne den Magla we abeka ye nti anya ne den we fu pa o hi afrefre o en krani beka so hi afrefre we baifuo Myself phone also. Akwana speedy me power, akwana obedi konkonsa wan was speedy me power. Mudi munya abotire. Was speedy me pa. Mr. Mama ba so nyina ma follow page no. And I'm there to a new page. Until I member live na me video no. Because we a new page, me old page no. Me over 80,000 followers. So much I say. Ya vibe ho. Enti I say na a new page means person mama kasa hey come like a raging stuff. What did your play? Me Black Sheriff. I be kasa bebre and some be follow page me pesa. Who follow? Yes I like me maybe you. Mama ha ma adwene. Aba so anu follow page me pesa. Me page me kwaso kwa me kwakwa analytics no. Omo follow no nyom na hwew. Omo show no so omo follow because bebre na ya konkonsafo. Onpeso obi be hu se wo follow because but wa asem de peso obeti. Konkonsa nso ye nyina wi ayi no ne tie nyina ne adi. Nyamba akufo ne di konkonsa. Gifty Latin. Hello. Gifty baby. What's up? Is come crowd in my bread. Is here na opo yes a wo bonu bia so na copyright for I choose Black Sheriff for buy and change any. Entie de ne sa re de. Tie de ne sa. Yeah, my brother, you can say
it's that second sermon brought to you by Red Black.
It's your mom. Birthday, yeah, I'm on church and go.
They can don't forget the Wallah shaped by baby though. Yeah, y'all know only fuck.
Abdul Hag. Shata the oil you. Ya kwa na dani asem. Sheriff, I'm doing good, oh Shata. You did Shata che, but do any more. You better drum crack. Shata wale man ya assemble. Magla ya assemble.
I love to take you on a flight and see how the animal what to ride a breath, yeah, baby, I tell you, marijuana, baby, what to ride a breath, yeah, I tell you, now marijuana, baby.
Evelyn Amoa, thank you, sis. Abro, Ain't first someone. Mu me a change na dia balga tete mate tiatu be de ba kire ho mate tiatu
never die say pass sana
yes Black Sheriff for Kumasi Academy na yes me junior no no e dey set to fefe baby sikra yes Kumasi Academy for no Black Sheriff Amirado call no Amirado de wan ko Kumaka sorry on the call me junior high be but Black Sheriff just so a Kumaka new boy